Good morning, and my name is Marjorie. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, so let's get into it. I'm excited to do an unboxing of my very first Boho Berry box. And this is from Kara at Boho Berry. She does this subscription box, and it's a beautiful package. I love the box. Ink lovers unite. That's probably upside down to you. I beg your pardon. So, let's see what's in here. I've been so good and not peeked at her unboxing video. So, I was waiting for my own to come. Finally came. Okay, so we open up and we have this beautiful box. And on the top we have this pretty vellum envelope. Can use to hold things later. And it tells us what we have in here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up because I want to be surprised. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is a sticker page that is a mid-year review. What is going well? What could have gone better? What can I do to improve? How can I build on my success? That's great to create that collection right in your bullet journal. And some June stickers and trackers. I like the feel of these. I love that they're clear and they feel like you could write on them. This one and this one have the dot grid just like in my bullet journal. So there's a June tracker. Can have habits and a mood tracker. So that's fun. Love it. Oh my goodness. I actually get a new Leuchtturm 1917 notebook. I love the color. I love the color. Hooray. That's amazing. Got my little sticker because I'm a member of the tribe, so yay. Oh, and a Tombow dual brush art pen in the color 873. I do not have this one. I'm super excited about that. Oh, little washi tape that has different arrows. That will be fun. That's so great. And I know from Kara's other reviews that these, you can color on them or write on them, on this washi. So I'm super excited. I was just thinking I want to try some washi tape next month. So that will be awesome. Okay, this is a Tombow twin tone pen, which I've never used before. So I'm excited about that. And then I think that's it. So that is pretty wonderful. I'll just give a little overview here. I want to try out this pen. Let me grab some paper because I want to try out these pens. You know, I started doing my bullet journal just this January, so I'm fairly new to this whole thing. And let me tell you, I have been obsessed. It's just been so fun. I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's try out this dual brush pen. So, of course, these are the wonderful I love it. It's kind of a peachy color. That's very pretty. Huh. That's neat. And the twin tone marker, I don't know about these. That is a tiny little tip. Can you see that? That is tiny. Tiny. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. Oh, I love all things tiny. You might learn that about me. Okay, and this side is more like a felt tip. Ah, that's wonderful. Okay, I love it. This is neat. I think she sent the Leuchtturm. We got an actual book because it's National Scrapbook Day today. I think it's even maybe this very day. Maybe it was yesterday. But here are the pens and the trackers, the stickers, all the great stickers. So this is fun. This is fun. I'm excited about this and going to try it out for a few months and see how I like it. But I just wanted to try that out and see what it was like to create an unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to do more videos in the future like this. If you would like to see more in the future about bullet journaling and creativity and living a life of intention and joy, that's kind of what I'm all about. So I'm excited to get into it with you and take the journey with you. Give me a subscribe and be sure to leave some comments in the what do you call that? The comment section. And let's be friends. Let's enjoy this journey together and give me your thoughts and ideas. I would love to learn and grow together. Have a great day.